Right, so we're going to take an overview of the Unit 6 module on trigonomic graphing to help us at home. Right now, the Unit 5B reassessment module is at the top. Make sure that you've taken that test and gotten your feedback from me. So if we scroll down, we can see Unit 6. This will probably move to the top here. At the very top, you'll find your instructions, your daily checklist. Let's take a look inside. So each lesson you are to work on the following things. Watch the YouTube video for the lesson. Complete the practice work for the lesson. I understand if you can't do all of it, but you should be able to do most of it. And then always check your answers with the key found in the day number and adjust and ask questions if needed. And then lastly, for each day, you'll record your flip video. In each Flipgrid, I told you to do specific examples. So let's take a look at the module a little more closely. So you can see here in Unit 6, here's day 0. There's specific instructions for you to watch on how to complete day 0. It's actually a really important day. The instructions are right here. So here, day 1, we've got all the information, blank files, filled in notes are here. Here's your video. And then here's your Flipgrid. Here's a great video to watch for expectations on how to do a good Flipgrid. If we look in, and you can see it's indented for each one. So day 2, indented, you've got the video, and then indented, you've got the Flipgrid. We look in the day 1 thing. Here you can see teacher notes. You can click that to see my notes filled in. You've got your practice, which is blank, but you should have your practice packet that you picked up before you left. And then you've got some solutions. And a lot of the solutions pages, maybe not this one, I had blacked out certain responses so you can't just copy them. And check your answers before moving on. There's also a Delta Math assignment for that you can choose to do. If we look at day 2, you can see very much the same thing, but here's the solutions. You can see partial. So they're blacked out for some of them. The YouTube video is pretty self-explanatory. Just watch it. The Flipgrid. Yeah. Going to the Flipgrid, you can see in the instructions here, you can use the iOS or the Android app. Here's my teacher code. Click this to go to the Flipgrid on your Chromebook. Otherwise, use the app. You should have completed the practice before you do the Flipgrid. And then show me your paper done. And then explain one example. And in this specific assignment, I want you to choose from example 2, 4, or 5. Click this, it'll take you to the Flipgrid. See, it says day 2 practice. That's what I'm on. Same instructions, 2, 4, 5. Click this button to record your response. If you are on your phone doing this, please make sure you upload the proper video to the proper heading. Okay, please don't put something for day 4 in day 8 or vice versa. That will make my life not fun. And then you may not receive credit. So that's Flipgrid. That's the overview of our Unit 6 module. If you have any questions, please ask me. All right. Happy